Rick!
Yeah, they're literally fighting underneath it right now.
WWF! I could be. I could move some and try to back him. I could be working
Sorry,
a male that
telling you
just
about
wants
is that
to
it tells them apart.
and that he's not happy.
Males will have that's because of the right there. Hey, they have.
Alright, let's move around here, guys. Found a good one.
Okay. There.
Oh,
Yeah, you guys are happy?
oh, sorry.
Oh, look!
I know it.
Oh my God!
Yeah. That's why we don't play something a lot.
Take your pictures and do this.
That one is not happy.
Oh, I hear that tail with water too.
That's called the hamster below, but enough of that gets up, you'll be able to see the bump. I'll keep an eye out for it. There's definitely two larger males that are competing though, because you see that big jump when they got all twisted, those are two males.
That's not all about them.
That's your winner right there. That's your primary escort. So that may very well be the female because he's staying real close to her. She may be calling in more males because these two just don't measure up to her. There's your escort. He's winning. He's inflating his jaws right now to make himself look larger. He's diving down and he's blowing all that air out to make a smoke screen. When the challenger swims through it, he redirects and tries to redirect the female to gain ground.
Oh, look at that! Oh, so cool.
This is insane.
I know.